This is a short video of how to wire a dual illuminate subs so they can play with the music. I've gone through YouTube and I can't find really a good illustration, so let's see. What I did is I fixed in the sub, as you can see right there. That's the power from the vehicle battery, and this is pretty much the wires to the speaker, and that's speaker wires. So let's see, let's fold these through all the way down there. I'll go to the back and show you how to do it. So that's the sub. Let me just show you the speaker. That's a dual illuminate, and I kind of love those speakers, you know, they're good. So I follow the speakers through, the speaker wires through to that connection right there. And what I did is I connected the negative wire, or whatever wire it is. This is the same wire, goes all the way through to the illuminate, to the illuminate point, and the red one goes all the way to the speaker wire. So it's basically a continuation of the speaker wires, so they can feed off the power that's, you know, coming out of the stereo. So let's see if this one works. I tried a couple different ways to do it, but you know, nothing's too clear out there, so let's see if it works.
Usually for you like me, I scratch berry. Just me reach you, me feet, me girl and grape and cherry. I make sure at Christmas me rare. Me can't believe I'm stick to Jerry. Man to woman, class man to man, not necessary. Girl until you ready, man I'm ready. Sweet, while you go for all for the because we not dead.
As you can see, it's not too clear, but you can see it plays by the beat, which is pretty neat. And something else I realized, let me hold on, let me. Something else I realized is if you use a thicker cable, because I use this one. This is, I don't know what gauge this is. This is like a really tiny one. If you use a thicker cable, which is what I have here, if you compare these one and that one, they're pretty different. I don't know how. The thicker the wire, the better it's gonna illuminate. So that is your video about hooking up a dual illuminate so you can play the lights with the sub.